The National Weather Service confirms an EF0 tornado touched down in Poolesville, Maryland around 2 this afternoon as a strong line of storms moved through the area.
That's right. Fox 5 staying ahead of the weather for you. Our David Kaplan in Poolesville tonight. But first, let's kick off things with meteorologist Matthew Capucci. He has a deep dive on what the radar showed.
You know, all the radar data was in line with this being a brief tornado. It likely formed at the northern end of a squall line in what we call the northern bookend vortex region. That's basically where the squall curls back on itself and develops some counterclockwise spin that can be tornadic. Now, on radar velocity, you see pink against red, marking winds going in 2 different directions relative to each other over a short distance, i.e. rotation. Data suggests a touchdown just before 2 p.m. It was probably only in the ground for like 5 minutes or less. Then here, evidence of spiky objects in the yellow on the radar's so-called correlation coefficient. In other words, debris tossed to about 1,200 feet above the ground. The damage likely commensurate with 80 to 90 mile-per-hour winds, so likely higher-end EF0 to low-end EF1. David, you showed me trees earlier on kind of falling towards the center of that path. I understand you spoke with the National Weather Service. What were their thoughts?
Well, Matthew, we know the National Weather Service sent someone out to survey the damage in this area of Poolesville. There were many downed trees that we know that surveyor looked at. Many of these trees look like they snapped as a result of this wind. Got a chance to talk to some neighbors in this area who described the sights and sounds as this storm came through.
It started getting rain coming in and then just a wall of water, and saw something fly by. We're like, we're going to the basement right now.
And the dogs went crazy.
The dogs went crazy.
Here's Skyfox drone over Stevens Park in Poolesville. You can see more trees snapped, one even falling into a neighbor's back porch. This home had trees fall onto a shed, which ironically has some of the critical tools Derek Soden wishes he had access to try and clean up his backyard.
Neighbor called and asking if we were home. We said no, and said, sounded like something was probably wrong, and they told us there's a few trees down.
No tornado warning was issued for this area. Early indications are from Poolesville officials that no one was hurt, just the property damage. Derek Soden has 3 other pine trees next to his home and is thankful none of them fell.
Those are the ones that I was afraid of would go through the house, right? So the shed, all the stuff in it can be replaced, or probably not, but, you know, the house with the dogs and the cats and all the animals, that would have been much worse.
Fox 5 did see someone with the National Weather Service surveying this area early Saturday evening. By late Saturday evening, the National Weather Service did confirm this was likely an EF0 tornado, approximately 75-mile-an-hour winds, traveled for approximately 100 yards, is what they told our Jennifer Delgado. Back to you.